Hey, you watching me right now? Are you tired of waiting for your hair to grow, or have you noticed some thinning spots? I've got a game-changing solution for you today, and it takes some few minutes to make. Stick around because this simple all-natural hair growth spray is going to change your hair game. Ever since my hair was damaged and I did a big chop, natural ingredients have been part of my hair growth journey, and it has helped me grow my hair thicker, fuller, and all healthy. And on this channel, I share all these recipes with you. So if you really enjoy videos like these and you love tips about hair growth and hair care, make sure to subscribe, click on the share button, and share with at least one person. Let's dive right into today's recipe. So before anything at all, we need to boil some water. And before getting into the recipe, I want to say hello to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for always coming back to support my channel, watch my videos, and even share them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I appreciate you being here. One of my natural ingredients for today's recipe is rosemary herbs. And trust me guys, all the ingredients in today's recipe work wonders. And they are probably already in your kitchen or somewhere in your house. So make sure you stick to it and follow this recipe to the core. First off, let me tell you why rosemary is amazing for your hair. It boosts circulation to your scalp, promotes stronger hair follicles, and even helps with dandruff. If you are looking for a natural way to speed up your hair growth, this is it. Rosemary can stimulate new healthy hair growth. You just have to learn the right way to use it. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show you exactly that. So altogether, I measured about 2 tablespoons of my dry rosemary herbs. You can also use the fresh rosemary herbs if you have those in your house. My next natural ingredients for today's recipe is clove. Clove is really popular. I know a lot of you have already tried clove in your hair care routine and have seen amazing results. But if clove hasn't worked for you, maybe you're not using it the right way. Make sure to follow this recipe and use clove this way and see how it will work with your hair. Clove contains nutrients and vitamins that will stimulate new healthy hair growth. It will also treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues that will hinder your hair from growing. Clove will also protect your hair strands from hair breakages as well as hair fall. This is lemon tea bag. You can also use the fresh lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit which is high in antioxidants, vitamin C, as well as other nutrients that are really beneficial to your hair growth. Lemon can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. Due to its citric acid content, it will treat your scalp. It will also add some shine to your hair, strengthen your hair strands to prevent it from breakages. So I added 1 lemon tea bag, but again, you can use the fresh lemon, squeeze it out, and use the lemon juice itself. Either way will work great. At this point, I added my hot boiling water to the recipe, and next I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. But before getting into all that, you know how we do it here. But if you are new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. Alright, so what happened was after adding the hot water to my recipe, I let it sit for about 2 hours. You can even let it sit longer. After that, I allow it to cool down. Then it is time to strain it. Straining is very important because you don't want all these little particles stuck in your hair. After you strain this recipe, there are a few things you need to add to even maximize its benefit. The smell right now is amazing. If you love the smell of herbs, you will love the smell of this recipe. The rosemary is releasing all its essential oil into the water and is filling the air with this amazing, refreshing scent, which is so good. But there is a few tricks I'm also going to show you to even maximize the smell of this recipe. At this point, I'm going to transfer it into a mason jar and I'll show you what I'm going to do next. Alright, so after transferring this recipe into your mason jar, your DIY rosemary and clove hair growth spray is ready. As you know, this recipe is just water based. In order for it to stay in your hair longer without drying out quickly, you need to add some oil to it. Today I chose to add some olive oil to it because I love what olive oil does to my hair. But feel free to add any oil of your choice, whether grapeseed oil, coconut oil, any oil that works for your hair. You don't need much, about a tablespoon for 1 jar is enough. After that, give it a good stir. Also, I'm going to add some essential oil to this recipe. I have this essential oil, I just love it. It has all the different kinds of essential oils you can think of. Today, I'm going to use rose essential oil, but it has the lavender, it has tea tree, it has all the essential oils that you can think of. So, all you need is a few drops of these essential oils with any DIY recipe. It will not add your preferred fragrance to any DIY recipe, but also help stimulate healthy hair growth because these essential oils have their own added benefits. You just need a few drops, then after that you give it a good stir. So the last step is pouring this goodness into a spray bottle. I love spray bottles because they make it super easy to apply directly to your scalp. So to use this recipe, you just simply spray directly onto your scalp, focusing on your thinnest part or areas where you want faster growth. Massage it in for a few minutes and leave it in. Apply it 2 to 3 times a week and always remember to follow with your leave-in conditioner. You can also use this as an overnight hairspray by spraying it directly onto your hair, leave it in overnight, then you can wash it out the next morning. Either way, you're going to get all the benefits. Just be consistent with the use. Thank you so much for being here and I hope to see you in my next one.